In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to set cell borders and alignment in Excel. What's up, coders? Today we're going to talk about setting cell borders and alignments in Excel using C# with the IronXL and the Iron software drawing library. So before we dive in, make sure you've already installed the IronXL and the Iron software drawing library. I've already done this to save us some time using the NuGet package manager. But if you want to follow along, make sure you have those packages installed. You want to do that right now. So let's go ahead and proceed. So I'm going to switch to Visual Studio where I have my program.cs file open. And as you can see, I've pre-written some code to save us some time. So first, let's go through the using statements. And these namespaces allow us to utilize the IronXL functionality and style options in our code. So now let's look at the main program. First, we create a new workbook and then grab the default worksheet. Next, we select cell B2 and set its left and right borders to be thick. And then finally, we set the color for those thick borders. And the left border, I used aquamarine because it's awesome. And I used aquamarine from the system.drawing namespace. For the right border, I used the color code coral. And to save our work, we simply call the save as function. So let's run the project and see what happens. All right, project ran successfully, and we'll check out the output. So here we are in Microsoft Excel. As you can see, cell B2 has a thick aquamarine border and a thick coral border on the right. So it looks exactly what we want it to be. Now, it's worth mentioning that IronXL offers a variety of border types. These include thin, medium, thick, dotted, dash dot, medium dash dot, double, and so on. Similarly, for cell alignments, IronXL provides alignments like general, right, none, top, left. The list goes on and on. So you can feel free to explore these different cell borders and alignments to make sure it looks exactly what you are looking for. All right, that wraps up our tutorial on how to set cell borders and alignment. Hope that you found it helpful. If you are digging it, give us a little bit of love. And if you're sitting there thinking, why do I not have this software already? Well, we have a trial 30-day subscription down below. Click the link. You're welcome.